Hi guys, this is Calvin Jan of Tana and you're watching D Sports TV.
What is up mga Lodi? Welcome back sa ating channel. Ngayon, panoorin natin ang umaatikabong quarterfinals matchup ng PhilOil Eco Oil 17th ECJ Preseason Cup. Unang laban, Colegio de San Juan de Letran Knights kontra sa University of the East Red Warriors. Parehong malakas at determined ang mga teams na ito, kaya tiyak na bakbakan ito. Tara, panoorin natin ang last 2 minutes ng laro na ito.
It's waiting time. Manalili to the right side. Wow, quick free. That's off. Rebound. Rafco, muntik makuha. Jack Cruz to... Tough times ahead. Dangerous pass. Leading to that turnover. Welyo, wanting that ball for that 3. Tabingi lang. Jonathan Manalili to the right corner. Aatake si James. Kick out. Tatapik palabas. 5 of the Knights. What will happen in this play? Kakakrokis lang nila Coach Allen Ricardo. Titing. Long 3. Way off. Outside the away. 6 on the shot clock. JCG. Tumaga. For 3. Binomba ba? Kapos. Rebound na kuha ng Letran. May foul si JCG. 66 all. Jonathan Manalili. Wow, quick 3 na bangka ni Welyo.
Full close.
Nakita niyo lang yung reaction ni Coach Jack Santiago. Nakatingin kay Welyo.
Ang ball swing papunta sa kanya.
And if anything, he was doing a magnificent job.
Oo eh.
See from that. Go for 3 si Deo Quahaw. Lamang ang Letran. 34th. Stay the same up until the final buzzer. But UE will execute. They have more to work with. Abate has the ball for 3. No! Rebound run. And check out this Knights.
Unorthodox eh.
Oo.
Pero itong UE ngayon, they're in the penalty and one of the situations na makakatulong yan sa'yo. Because they want the clock to really stop.
At si Quahaw ang mag-free throw. John Abate. If anything, if we're not mistaken, may isang timeout pa sa UE. 2 seconds. Timeout ito si Coach Jack Santiago. UE has to go here. Naga for 3. Malakas. Nako, yun nga. At will do it. Letran will move on to the semifinals.
What an impressive game here. Para nga dito sa Knights.
Grabe ang naging laban na ito. Ang final score, Colegio de San Juan de Letran 70 at 66 naman para sa UE Red Warriors. Papasok na ang Letran sa semifinals.
Nadala itong batang player ni Coach Allen Ricardo again.
Susunod naman, College of St. Benil Blazers kontra sa Far Eastern University Tamaraos. High stakes at high drama ang laban na ito. Kaya tara, panoorin na natin ito.
Ito, maganda dito.
Sports, final 2 minutes. Gandara pa sa opensa. John Ray Pasaol. Gets the layup to go. Tie game.
That's a veteran move mula dito kay John Ray Pasaol.
Winston Inot. Going to the middle. Yo-yo pa yung layup.
What a shot mula dito kay
DJ Pre for 3. Kapag!
DJ Pre has been shooting consistently from beyond the arc.
Inot. Attacking from natin. The kick out. 3 on the way. Sanko couldn't score. Rebound from natin. John Ray wasting away some time. Wanting to go to the left. John Ray Pasaol. Uy! Kakansala si Cedric Taha. Winston Inot going baseline. The kick out. Cometa. Extra pass. Inot. Yo!
Tony Inot. Crucial moments. He is there.
Jangnan. Hot pot. Hot shot 3. Hot pot ba? Marami. Si Winston Inot na bang Jangnan or sa finals. Pero may 20 seconds pa ang MTU para makatabla o makalamang. They go to BJ Pre. Almost got stripped. 6 on the 24. Jorik Bautista running out of time. To John Ray. Fake
nice heads-up play for him. Beating the buzzer right there and beating the defense. Ito.
Ano ang sinetap dito ni Coach Charles Chu? FPU ang dami pang foul to give. Tabla panalo ang habol ng CSP. Sampo has it. Inside open guy! Winston Enoch gets the bucket!
I was expecting FPU to give out a foul there.
That is remaining. Nobody was looking at Winston Enoch. 7 seconds. CSP has a foul to give. Here we go. Jedrick Daha doing the honors of inbounding for this final play. Where will they go to? Bautista caught it for 3. It's on!
What a shot! Mula dito kay Bautista.
Grabe, palitan ng mga big shots ang kupunan na ito. Ngunit sa huli nga ay nagwagi ang FEU Tamaraos courtesy of the 3-point shot ni Bautista.
That's gonna be it. Jangnan hot shot 3 for the win. Coming from Jorik Bautista. Basta hot shot na may Anli Grill sa Jangnan na for the win. Ating puso Pilipinas player of the game. Eto si John Ray Pasaol.
A lot of choices para dito sa FPU, but itong si John Ray Pasaol has been steady all throughout this game.
Thank you for watching. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito ay mag-subscribe ka na sa ating channel. Paki-follow na rin ang ating Facebook page Utak Pilipinas. Again, this is D Sports TV. Paalam.